Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more informative content. Landbay, a detailed review for property professionals. Landbay, a peer-to-peer lending platform, focuses primarily on buy-to-let mortgages, differentiating itself from traditional personal loan providers. It facilitates connections between investors and borrowers, specifically for secured, property-backed lending. If you're seeking a standard unsecured personal loan, Landbay isn't the right fit. However, if you're a landlord or property investor looking to finance rental properties, Landbay offers a streamlined, competitive alternative to traditional banks. Landbay provides fixed-rate mortgage loans with transparent terms and a straightforward application process. Borrowers can often secure competitive interest rates and experience a faster approval process compared to mainstream lenders. Landbay's lending criteria prioritize affordability, potential rental yield, and the borrower's creditworthiness. Unlike typical personal loan providers, this platform caters to property professionals requiring reliable funding without the complexities of traditional banking. The application process involves completing an online application, providing property details, and undergoing Landbay's assessment to determine eligibility. Loan amounts and terms are determined by the rental property's value and projected income potential. A significant advantage of Landbay loans is their secured nature, being backed by the property itself. This often results in more favorable interest rates compared to unsecured personal loans. However, it's crucial to remember that this also carries the risk of property loss if loan repayments are not met. While Landbay previously facilitated peer-to-peer lending, it now operates exclusively through institutional funding. This transition enhances capital security and reliability for borrowers. In summary, Landbay is an excellent option for landlords and property investors seeking structured financing for rental properties. It is not, however, designed for individuals seeking traditional, unsecured personal loans. If an unsecured personal loan is what you need, explore alternative lending platforms. If Landbay aligns with your financing requirements, explore the links in the description for more detailed information.